Hi to all potential eBay buyers for my York Vices. Sometimes it's hard to believe that these could be authentic York Vices that are brand new and are still 40 years old. This is a vise that I just finished brush wiring, cleaned it up just gently, and this is the way I received them when I got these vices. So, no, they haven't been repainted, they haven't been touched up, they haven't been repaired. They're original York Vices. These are model York 100, and look what I got here. I've got 5 more cases, and I think I have York 125 behind there. Let me open one of these boxes up to show you, when they arrive, what do they look like in their crate. Alright, just open up a crate, one of these crates, and here you go. They're incredibly in good shape. I mean, it's unbelievable. For the year, these have been sitting in a warehouse for the past 40 years. It's, it's jaw-dropping. And these ones don't have the quick adjustments. That they have the standard nuts on them. That's different from the model that I have here, which does have that. You see, these are model 100. Am I getting something wrong here? They must be yeah, these are model 100 too, if you look at them carefully. Yeah, I guess, back in the 70s, or I'm saying 40, probably even more than 40 years old. It's you can see there's still Cosmoline grease on them, and but I mean, these are really nicely preserved, brand new vices. So you just can't get better than that. Just saw a little box. Oh, look what I got here! Got a little bag with two of these quick adjustments. Let me see if do I have any more of that. That's odd. Only have 2. Oh no, I got some more here. There you go. There you go. Probably they're all in there. Oh, there you go. Got one right here. Oh, that's even better because, they won't be corroded. So, you'll be buying one of these, and I mean, you're buying a piece of history. I mean, you will not find a better shape 45-year-old vise nowhere, period. I mean, so let me open up this crate. I think they've got York 125 in there. The box looks a little bigger, so give me a second. There you go, the York 125. I mean, they've been touched together, but they looked in excellent shape. I mean, you just unbelievable. I mean, here we have these little swivel adjustments. I guess they put that just for shipping, make sure that it doesn't come loose. And let me pull one of each out, and I'll show you what they look like. And it's like incredible. I mean, it's like finding 100 pounds of gold would give me more pleasure than finding this. So give me a second, I'll pull one out, and then we'll put it on the workbench, and we can have a better look at it. All right, there's the York 125 removed from its crate. You can see all the Cosmoline grease on there. We may have a few scratches, but here and there, or it may be Cosmoline grease for say. I can't tell, but little rust on the front jaws, nothing serious. Let me clean it up. I won't wire brush it. I'm just going to clean it with solvent and see what it looks like. I'll be back in a few more minutes. Alright guys, there it is. It's been degreased, and it's just in beautiful condition. Very light surface rust. You can't even feel it with your hands. By the time I wire brush it, that'll all come out, and it'll get its original luster back. So there you go. And it's such a beautiful vise for the age, incredible. These are the little swivel tightening handles, and again, very little You know, I call that surface stains by corrosion. It can't be considered rust for the time being. I'm gonna leave these on. I'm gonna ship those apart. It's probably better like that. And so you know exactly what you'll be buying. You know, and I'll be taking pictures of every vise as I sell them. So you know, if you buy the vise that's on the pictures of the eBay ad, you'll be getting exactly that vise, not the first one of fourth. You'll be getting that model exactly. So rest assured. And naturally, as I said, these ones are already on sale, and in such beautiful condition too. You'll be able to purchase them, and as I say, I have a limited quantity. That's all I got. I've got 20 of these 100s and 3 of the 125. So that's pretty much it. After all, I was able to get that stock in its unbelievable condition. So and don't forget that I'll be protecting these vises during shipping in an incredible manner to make sure nothing happens to it. I've already sold one to a gentleman in California, and it was bubble wrapped in a styrofoam, and it was like utterly protected. And I hope it gives me a positive feedback as soon as possible. You guys can go look at it, and I'll ask him just to put the reference to the packaging to make sure that when I ship this out, it'll be packed very well, because it would be a shame and all would be for nothing if I was to actually, you know, sell it to you guys and as a collector item, and you know, badly package it, and you end up with a fully scratched or even damaged vise. So that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to email me. I'll be happy to answer them. Thank you very much.